everyone. So today I have got an exciting video. I have got the Nivea Avocado to unbox for you guys. I hope you can see. I'm filming this very late at night. I'm trying out a new light, so I'm hoping that everything will be okay for you guys. Yeah, this advent calendar costs £25, so it's quite budget friendly. I think it's a 24-day, but they never really tell you, like on the front. Yes, it's 24 days. And Nivea is like a trusted brand basically in the UK, and we're just going to unbox it. I got this from August, but they did have it available on Amazon. It was £25, but then it went up to £30, then it went up to £35, and I was like, so I just went and got it from August. So it works out a little over £1 a day basically. So yeah, we're going to unbox it anyways, and we're going to see if we think it's good. So we're just going to unbox it while we're sitting down here, and I'm just going to open the door. So it's just a standard door one. So like this is day number 1, and this is me opening it basically. That's how it is. It's cardboard inside, so it's all pretty recyclable. And let's see what we get in day number 1. Day number 1 is the Pure Care Shower Cream. Well, I love Nivea shower creams. I'm hoping you can see this. It's quite a small-ish size, mind you. 50ml. You can normally get like a large size of Nivea shower cream, shower gels in like say Home Bargains, like a full size for about £1. If you don't know, I love Nivea for Men Sensitive. That's like one of my favourite ones. But still, I think it's canny, especially if you wanted to travel size or something like that. So that was day number 1. We want day number 2. Day number 2 is in the top corner basically. Yeah. We have got the Nivea Bye Bye Dry Skin Face Mask Nourishing. I've actually tried this. My niece absolutely loves this. If you don't know, my niece has got very much like skin like me. She's dry skin, whereas my sister's oily. My niece has got all my skin problems basically. Yeah, so I've actually tried this because my niece told me about it and she got me one, and I do like it. So yeah, I'm quite happy about that. It's about the same cost as the day. We want day number 3, which is on the other side at the top. Day number 3 is this random little envelope. Okay, I'm not so sure how I feel about this. It's cute, and if you're young, it's cute. And I mean, to be honest, it's not ugly or anything, but I don't know how I feel about that. So that was day number 3. We want day number 4, which is at the bottom. We have got the Nivea Q10 Energy Instant Recharge Sheet Mask. It's got 3 times instant effects. I've never actually tried like their full size sheet mask like these type. I'm assuming it's a sheet mask, it is. So I'm actually really quite excited about this. So yeah, that is one I'm excited about. It's got vitamin C and Skin Identical Q10. So that was 4. We want day number 5, which is up at the top. I've got a Nivea Lip Balm. This is a standard lip balm. I don't honestly, yeah, just standard Nivea lip balm. I honestly don't know how much these cost, to be honest. It's been years since I've actually bought like a lip balm that I've needed to buy lip balm. I normally get them in mystery box, advent calendars. I'm normally stocked up for a full year. So that's day number 5. We want day number 6, which is in the bottom other side corner. We've got another little random packet. I love these actually, to be honest. I'm not going to diss them because I do actually quite like these. These are just like these funky little ties that you tie your hair with. I actually really do quite like them, but I mean they are pretty cheap. These feel like nice ones though. So yeah, that was day number 6. We want day number 7. We have got a tub, and I'm assuming this is, yeah, normal Nivea cream. It's all sealed up, so I'm going to keep it like that. But Nivea cream is really quite nice actually. I do quite like Nivea cream as far as I can remember. As long as it's in that tub and not the squeezy lotion. Day number 8. Day number 8, sorry. Alright, we're getting a bit interesting here. We've got the Nivea Soothing Day Cream 24-hour moisturiser for sensitive skin. It's got SPF 15. This is a 50ml and it's free of perfume. So this looks like a pretty full size, and I definitely think this is probably more than your pound a day worth. Yeah. and I'm assuming that's for your face as well, so that's a nice product. I'm quite excited about that product. It says it's got licorice extract in, natural grapeseed oil, Nivea moisture care complex, so that's nice. Day number 9. Ooh. We have got another lip balm, but it's in like a different shape packaging, and it is their soft rose one. It smells really nice, it does. So yeah, I think that's quite cute. I quite like that. That's day number 9. We want day number 10, which is quite a large day. It's quite a big day, but normally what I say about big days is they're not the best days, but we'll see. So for one of the biggest doors we have is a hair scrunchie. To be honest, it's quite a nice scrunchie. It feels nice enough, but for £1 a day, it doesn't feel that nice, if you know what I mean. But yeah, we got that. Okay. I'll use it. So day number 11 is below that. Ooh, we've got some 3-in-1 refreshing cleansing wipes for normal skin. Normal skin. It doesn't say whether they're biodegradable or anything like that. It says 40% of the packaging is made from recyclable materials. I do like have a small packet of wipes. I very rarely use wipes now, but I do like to have some wipes for them occasions when you just can't be bothered. So yeah, but I do prefer to have biodegradable ones now. We're on day number 12, which is right at the side, and we've got another big product. We have got the refreshingly soft moisturising cream for your hands, face, body and hands actually, for fresh, soft and smooth skin. I'm a bit funny about using something that I can use on my face, that can be used on my hands and my body on my face. I don't know why, but I am. But yeah, we got that. But I will say that it's got jojoba oil and vitamin E. It doesn't look like it's scented or anything like that. Oh, it has very much the Nivea scent actually, so yeah, I wouldn't use that on my hands or face. Right, so then we are on the other side of the calendar, and can I just say I love the colour. Like, I love the packaging of this calendar. Like, 10 out of 10. So we're on day number 13. This is probably one of my favourite, like, packaging of advent calendars. Day number 13 is another little random envelope. I'm guessing tweezers. I am definitely guessing tweezers. No, I was wrong. It's a nail file. It's quite a pretty nail file. It's in the Nivea colours. So I will use that. And it's a glass nail file, so it's not like a little cheapy chatty one. So that's 13. We're on day number 14, which is in the bottom corner. We've got our second one of these. Is it the same one? I feel like it is. The cream soft, yeah, shower cream. Yeah, so we've got a duplicate product. I'm not going to complain, it'll get used. That was day number 14. Not majorly exciting though. We want number 15. Okay, we've got another lip balm. We have got the Pearly Shine one. You know which one they should put in? The one that everyone wears. You know, the one that's like a berry colour. Is it Nivea? I don't know. But this one's like a peach. Oh my god, that smells like sweets. It smells like sweets. Very nice. I'm literally going to give all the little lip balms probably to my niece because she loves a lip balm. So that's 15. We want day number 16, which is over here. I used to love this roll-on. I used to love this. This is the Nivea Pearl 48 hour roll-on. I used to love this stuff. Oh my god, I'm going to be fully kitted out for like roll-on. Like, I'll not need to buy any deodorant for a while. So yeah, I'm quite chuffed with that. That was 16. We want day number 17. We have got... I love Nivea's micellar water. Nivea's micellar water, in my opinion, like hands down beats like the Garnier one. All the micellar waters, the Nivea one is my favourite. I don't know if it's this one, but I do love the Nivea micellar water. So this is the Soothing Face and Eyes Lip micellar water, new formula. Oh, I hope it's not different, but yeah, I do love the Nivea one. This is a decent enough size, and especially when it's working out £1 a day. I feel like the larger sizes are making up for the more smaller kind of nitty picky days. So that was 17. We want day number 18. We've got another duplicate, another Nivea cream. Yeah, so we've got 2 of them. Yeah, 2 duplicates. We want day number 19 over on the other side. We have got a random hair clip. Where is it going to say this? It's really quite pretty, to be honest. I definitely feel like you could definitely wear this on like the Christmas season or something like that. It's quite pretty. It's quite pretty. So yeah, but it's definitely a filler day. That was 19. We want day number 20, which is a big one. It's gonna be good. That's how big it was. We've got something, another thing, and a random little thing. Oh, it's like a present in a present. We've got a pumice stone, guys. We've got a pumice stone. We have got a pumice stone. I love the smell of a pumice stone. Yeah, so we've got a pumice stone. Foot cream next then, I'm guessing. So we're in 21, which is above that. Oh, no, we have not. We have got a hairband. We have got a Nivea hairband. This is our second one of these style of hairbands in an advent calendar. Yeah, I'm not going to put this on because I'll probably gift this along with us already having one of this style like hairbands in a calendar before. But really nice, comes in handy. You take your hair out your face or stuff like that, especially when you're doing a face mask or something like that. 21, we want 22, which is over here. We have got another sheet mask, but this one is a different one. This is a serum infused firming sheet mask. 3 instant effects, visibly reduced wrinkles, tangibility firms skin, nourishes skins. It nourishes skin. It's got infused serums. I think I might need this tonight. I'm feeling like my crow's feet are coming out in full force. It's tiredness. It's dehydration. That's what it is. So that's 22. We went 23. We'll come to the end. Makes me sad. We have got the Nivea Irresistibly Smooth 5-in-1 Care Body Lotion. So this is what I'm talking about. The ones like this, I really just can't get away with body lotions unless they're super thick. I don't know what it is. It's just not for me. I can use them, but I'd rather not, you know. So yeah, but this has got shea butter in, which I do love. This still has that very Nivea scent. Very Nivea scent. Right, and that was 23, wasn't it? And 24, our final day. We have got something in a packet. Oh no, don't dare say they've given us a roller. They have given us a facial roller for our last day. Now, a couple of years ago, you know, we would have been happy with this, but we're sick of the sight of them. I mean, I'll use it, or I mean, I'll use it. I use a roller, but I've got one. I've got millions. If you're a box person, you've got few. So yeah, that's a nice little product if you don't have it, but if you already got it, which I do, so it's a bit of a bummer. But overall, like this calendar, this calendar is not so bad. Honestly, I'm quite happy. I've got some sheet masks I've not tried. We've got a face cream. We've got micellar water. It's actually got a lot more better things in than I thought it was going to have. I've unboxed the Dove calendars. I don't know if Dove's done one this year. Let me know if they have. Because if they've done like a 12-day one, I'll do that through the 24 days of Christmas. And I feel like this is definitely better than the Dove ones I've unboxed over the years. yeah, I quite liked it. It's not majorly exciting, but everything in here, majority of the products I'll use, and it was quite budget friendly, but it was very budget friendly. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm overall happy with it. Let me know what you guys think of this advent calendar. I definitely think I would purchase another one, but I wouldn't pay like the prices that they were going for to begin with, like at £40. I would have been absolutely annoyed at £40, but at £25 I'm quite happy with that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love you to subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.